Hello students, how are you all? I hope you are fine. You are studying seriously or not? Studying seriously? You should do it, okay? And few students are sending their work properly, I know that. But those who are not sending, for them only, we are requesting that please do your work. Okay, whatever problem is there, any doubt is there, you should improve the teachers, and after that finish your homework and send to the teachers. Clear? Teachers are waiting for your homework only. Clear or not? Understood? So now I want to discuss what mental math problems. So before going to start, I am telling that those who are watching, please you should get ready also because you should try it. So that's why you should get ready with your copies, and rough work also you should do in your right hand side. Clear or not? Clear? And you should read the question also because few question answer also given in the question, means answer already there in the question. You should read the question. If you try to understand that question, what is the meaning of question, so you will get the answer. Clear? So that's all. Now let's start. Today we will start with what? Exercise 25. Few exercises already discussed. Okay, so today we'll discuss what? Exercise 25. At first see the first question. What is the question given? Question number 1 is telling that 9 lakh 90,000, 9 lakh 90,000. Okay, you will place 10 place 100 place 1000 place 10,000 place and lakh place. That means 9 lakh 90,000, and here dash means put proper sign, and here given what? 85,672. That means which one is greater? Will put the proper sign, means here will put which sign, means which one is greater, because see here 9 lakh 90,000 one, and here given what? 85,672. Clear? So which one is greater? 9 lakh 90,000 one. This is greater. That means we can give that this sign. Clear or not? Clear? Very easy. Understood? Now question number 2. Question number 2, see. Question number 2. A normal multiplication given here. 212 into 40. Normal multiplication, you know that. 212 into 40. So what we'll do at first? We'll do direct. We'll do direct means how? See here 4 to the 8, no 0, no need to write that, to write now. Otherwise I can write here only 1 zeros. Okay, 1 0 I am writing here. See this one direct multiplication. 4 to the 8. Okay, 4 1 is 4, and here 4 2 is 8. Okay, so if we multiply 212 by 4, what will get? 248 will get, and another 0 is there, no? So for that 0 we'll get here another 0. Clear or not? So that's why we will come here 8480. 8480. Okay, clear? Concept clear? Otherwise normal multiplication also, you know that the multiplication you can do it also, no problem that one. Clear or not? Clear? Understood? Okay, so here answer will be what? 8480. Clear? Concept clear? Okay, now see question number 3. Question number 3 is telling that 26,250 ml and what? 15,300 ml. 26,250 ml and 15,300 ml. So write it here 15,300 ml. After that what? Addition. Normal addition will do. Very easy problem. Okay, you should try it at first. Everyone try it. Okay, I am doing also. You should try, and after that you should see the solution. Clear? Now see here 0, here ml, here 5 plus 0 5, 2 plus 3 5, 6 plus 5 11, 1 1 carry, and 2 plus 1 3 plus 1 4. That means 41,550. We are getting what? 41,550. That one what? Milliliter given, means we are getting milliliter. In the question also given milliliter, ml. Okay, ml means that this is short form of milliliter. Okay, now we convert this one into liter, dash liter dash milliliter, equal to dash liter dash milliliter. Okay, dash liter dash milliliter. So now see how we'll do this one. Dash liter dash milliliter, 41,550 milliliter equal to dash liter dash milliliter. How we'll do? See How will do? Try it everyone. You try, after that I will say the answer. Okay, I will explain it. At first try it. Okay. See, we know that what? We know 1 liter equal to 1000 milliliter. 1 liter equal to 1000 milliliter. This is the formula. Okay, 1 liter equal to 1000 milliliter. 2 liter equal to 2 into 1000. Clear or not? 2 into 1000 milliliter. 3 liter equal to 3 into 1000 milliliter. 4 liter equal to 4 into 1000 milliliter. Clear? So that means we are getting what? Liter to milliliter. When are doing converting liter to milliliter, we are multiplying by 1000 or not? Clear? Liter to milliliter. Clear? Now we go to what? Milliliter given in the question. Milliliter given, we convert into liter. We need what? Liter. Means we'll go to milliliter to liter. We'll go to milliliter to liter. Okay, milliliter to liter means we will divide by 1000. Same thing, there only multiplication, here only division. When we are going to liter to milliliter, that time we are multiplying by 1000, and when we are going to the milliliter to liter, that time we will do division by 1000. Clear? Concept clear? That means this 41,550 ml will do what? Division by 1000. Okay, clear or not? Clear? And now see, if we do the division by 1000, no, 1000 means how many zeros here? 3 zeros. I told you what? If we do the division by power of tens, what will get? That point will remove from right to left. Okay, means we'll go to the left hand side if we do the division. Clear? And if we do the multiplication, point will go to that right hand side. Clear? So when we do the multiplication, that time point will go to the right hand side, and when we do the division, that time point will go to the left hand side. Clear or not? So where will come that point? Here 3 zeros. So that's why after 3 digit point will come. After 3 digits point will come. Clear? Concept clear? Clear or not? After 3 digits point will come. From where? From right hand side, because we are going to the left hand now. So that's why. So from right hand side, after 3 digits point will come. That means here see 0, 5, 5. So here point will come or not? Here point will come. Clear? So these 3 digits 550, this one what? That one will be milliliter. That one will be milliliter. That means 550 milliliter. And the another one, the remaining portion here 41, that one will be liter. Concept clear or not? Clear? So if we divide by 1000, that point will go to left hand side. Okay, from right to left, from right to left. Where? How many zeros are there? According to that zeros, that point will go. Okay, suppose 2 zeros means after 2 digits point will go. 3 digits, 3 points means after 3 digits will go, like that. Clear? So that means we are getting what? 41 liter, here 550 milliliter. Clear or not? Concept clear? Now see question number 4. Question number 4 is telling that 99,000. We can write it 99,000. I'm writing 99,000 and 900. So writing here, you should write in proper place. Okay, otherwise your that addition will be bam, otherwise multiplication, otherwise that division or something like that. So everything will be wrong. Clear? So you should write in proper place. Clear? Okay. Now here see do addition, 0 here 0 here 9 9 9. That means we are getting 99,900. Okay, easy, very easy. You can do it also. Question number 5. Everyone try yourself, because addition is the normal addition is there. Normal addition, you do it. I won't do this one. You're trying or not? You should try it. Okay. Now see first question what? First number given here 2000. After that 000, we can write 00 also. No need to write also. No need. Next 00. These two things. This one no need to write also. Okay. And here only 2. So do addition. What will get here? 2 Next 0 0 and here 2, 2002. Normal addition only. You know the addition and you should do it. Okay, clear or not? So that's why you are getting 2002. Okay, clear? Okay. Now question number 6. See, read the question. Write the largest number. Three numbers gave here. Okay, we find out the largest number. সব থেকে বড় সংখ্যা কোনটা? Which one largest? See, very easy. Here this one, 4,82,186. This one only. So this is the answer. 482,160. That means 4,82,160. Clear? Clear or not? Clear? Okay. Now question number 7. Question number 7. Read the question at first. Everyone read the question. Try to understand what is the given data. Okay. What is the given data? Cost of 4 pence is telling here what? Cost of 4 pence is rupees 16. How many pence can we get in rupees 64? What is the meaning? What is the meaning of the question? Cost of 4 pence. 4 পেনের দাম কত? Rupees 60. So how many pens can we get in rupees 64? তাহলে 64 এ আমরা কতগুলো পেন কিনতে পারবো? ক্লিয়ার? কোশ্চেন ক্লিয়ার? 4টা পেনের দাম কত? 16 রুপিস। ঠিক আছে, তাহলে 64 রুপিসে আমরা কতগুলো পেন কিনতে পারবো? কোশ্চেন ক্লিয়ার? ক্লিয়ার অর নট? ক্লিয়ার? নাও সি হোয়াট উইল ডু। তাহলে 4 pence cost of 4 pence what equal to rupees 16. The cost of 4 pence equal to rupees 16. তাহলে একটা পেনের দাম কত হবে? ইউ সে cost of 1 pen, একটা পেনের দাম কি হবে? কম হবে না বেশি হবে? 4টে পেনের দাম যদি 16 হয় তাহলে একটা পেনের দাম কত হবে? নিশ্চয়ই কম হবে, কারণ পেনের সংখ্যা তো কমে যাচ্ছে। পেনের সংখ্যা কমলে কি হবে? দামটাও কমে যাবে। So that's why we'll do what division. Rupees 16 divided by 4. Okay, তাহলে 16 কে যদি আমরা 4 দিয়ে ডিভাইড করি, what will get here? Rupees 4. Clear? Clear or not? তাহলে 4টে পেনের দাম কত? Rupees 4. কটা পেনের দাম? This one only 1 pen. 4টে পেনের দাম তো 16 rupees 16 what? Cost of 4 pence. 4টে পেনের দাম 16, তাহলে একটা পেনের দাম কত পাচ্ছি আমরা? Rupees 4. 4 টাকা পাচ্ছি। Up to this one clear or not? Concept clear? Clear? Now we find out how many pens, কতগুলো পেন আমরা কিনেছিলাম 64 এ। Suppose you are going to the shop. Okay, তোমরা সব শপে যাচ্ছ, দোকানে যাচ্ছ, তোমরা পেন কিনবে। কত টাকা নিয়ে গেছো? 64 রুপিস নিয়ে গেছো। বলো, দোকানদার বলছে কি একটা পেনের দাম কত? 4 টাকা। The cost of 1 pen equal to rupees 4. তাহলে 64 রুপিসে তুমি কতগুলো পেন কিনতে পারবে? তোমার কাছে যে 64 রুপিস আছে, তো 64 এ কতগুলো পেন কিনতে পারবে? তো কি করব? What to do? We'll do division. Okay, we'll do division. কত দিয়ে ডিভিশন করব? কারণ একটা পেনের দাম 4 টাকা, তাহলে 4 দিয়ে ডিভাইড করব। 64 divided by 4. 64 divided by 4. So 4 1 ja 4. Normal division, you know that. The 6 minus 4 2, 24. 4 6 ja 24. Okay, that means here 16. We are getting what? 16. Clear? তাহলে কতগুলো পেন আমরা কিনতে পারবো 64 এ? 16 পেন্স আমরা কিনতে পারবো। কতগুলো পেন? How many pens we can buy? 16 pens we can buy. Clear? 16 pens. Concept clear or not? Very very important question. Okay, this type of problem will come in your exam also. Clear? You should practice it. Clear? Now question number 7. See, question number 7 finished already. Question number 8. See, 12 lakh equal to 20,500. 20,500 equal to dash. Here little bit mistake is there. See, 12 lakh here equal to sign given, no? This one not equal to, this one minus sign. This one per sign minus sign is there. মানে 12 lakh থেকে 20,500 মাইনাস করলে কত হবে? This is the meaning. Okay, concept clear? Question clear? So 12 lakh থেকে তাহলে মাইনাস করব। So at first we will write what? 12 lakh. 12 lakh means how many zeros? 5 zeros. Okay. Okay. Next 20,500. 20,500. How will write this one? 20,500. তাহলে 20,500. Okay. This one will be what? Subtract. Minus করব। but you should write in proper place, okay, and we'll write from the right hand side, that is the way. Clear? এই 20,500 টা কিভাবে লিখবো আমরা, that one you should write in properly, okay, otherwise that your minus would be, or subtraction or addition would be, that one will be wrong. Clear? Again and again I'm telling like that, so that's why you should practice it properly, okay, and you should write it properly. Clear? Now to the subtraction. Here we are getting 0, here 0, here 0 minus 5 not possible, that means 10 will come, 10 minus 5, 5, okay, here 9. Clear or not? Here 9, 9 minus 2, 7. Clear? And here 2, no, from 2 we are taking here borrow, means taking 1, borrowing 1, no, from 2, so that's why this one will be 1, and here 1. That means we are getting what? 11,79,500. 11,79,500. 11,79,500. Clear? That is the answer. If we subtract from 12, means if we subtract 20,500 from 12 lakh, we are getting what? 11,79,500. Okay? Clear? Clear or not? Clear? Normal, that way also subtraction is there, you can do it also, you should try it also. Okay, now see question number 9. Question number 9 is telling here 5 by 7 and here 5 by 9. Put proper sign. Put proper sign. We'll put the proper sign. Okay, means which one is the smallest, or less than or greater than, which sign will come here. Okay, which one smaller, which one the greater, like that. Okay, here given what? 5 by 7 and another one 5 by 9. Okay, see here which one numerator, 5 numerator and 7 denominator, this one denominator, and 5 what? Numerator. Here also 5 numerator and 9 denominator. Clear or not? Clear? But here see, two numerators are same. Two numerators are same or not? Yes, two numerators are same. So when two numerators are same, we will see the denominator. Okay, we will see the denominator. Clear? So from denominator, which one is the smaller? At first check it. Which one is the smaller? 7 is the smaller. Clear or not? So when numerator is same and denominator, we will see the denominator. That which denominator is smaller, that one is the greater. That one is the greater. Clear? Clear or not? Clear? And opposite that a also formula is there also. Opposite formula will suppose like that. Suppose 3 by 4 and here given 2 by 4. 3 by 4 and here 2 by 4. So which one is greater here? Here denominator same, see, here denominator same. There was numerator same, here denominator same. When denominator same, we'll see what? Numerator or not? Because denominator same, so no need to see that one. Okay, we'll see the numerator. Numerator, which one is greater? 3 is greater, so that one will be the big number, okay, or greater number. There, when denominator same, we'll see the numerator. Which one is greater? That fraction will be greater. Okay, and when numerator same, we'll see the denominator, and from denominator which one is smaller, that one is the greater. That means here 5 by 7 is greater. Concept clear or not? Concept clear? Otherwise you inform me, I will explain again. Okay, clear or not? Clear? Now question number 10. Write the unit fraction. Unit fraction already discussed. Here also given one unit type of one problems, unit fraction problems. Okay, so which one is unit fraction? Unit fraction concept what? Numerator 1, denominator something 2, okay, or 3, 4, like that, but numerator will be 1. Okay, numerator will be 1. That is the concept of unit fraction. But here no 1, here no 1, here 21, there 11. Okay, but here denominator, see, here denominator same, numerator denominator same. Okay, clear or not? But here 11 by 13, 11 by 13, this is not possible, because here that 1 is not there, 11 is there, but 11 and 1 not same. Clear or not? Only 1 will be there, not 11. Clear? So this is not possible. Unit fraction, no unit fraction. See here 21, no, here also 21, here also 21. Numerator denominator same. That means we can cancel it by 21. So 21 ja 21. Here also 21, cancel it. 21 ja 21. Means 1 by 1. Clear or not? Clear? When that same number will come in numerator, suppose 7 by 7, just a minute, 7 by 7, same number, see, we can cancel it. 7 1 is 7, 7 1 is 7. 9 by 9, we can cancel 9 1 is 9, 9 by 9, and 9 by 9 means 1. 9 divided by 1 will get what? 1. Here also 9 divided by 1 will get 1, means 1 by 1 we are getting. Clear or not? 1 by 1 we are getting. That means this is a unit fraction. Clear? So 1 by 1, this is a what fraction? Unit fraction. That means here which one unit fraction here? 21 by 21. When the same number will be there in numerator denominator, what will come? That unit fraction will come. Clear or not? So this is the unit fraction, not 11 by 13. Clear? Concept clear? I have understood all problems. You should practice it that nicely. You should practice all problems nicely, okay? And if you have any problem, you can ask me. Clear? So you should practice it and show me, and you take your homework at first. Everyone take your homework. Which one homework? Homework 25. I'm writing here 25 and 26. 25 already explained. This one you will practice it and show me, and 26 at first you will try. Okay, if any problem from 26, you will just inform me, I will explain it. Otherwise next day I will explain 26, exercise 26. So this is your homework. Clear? You should do it properly. Clear everyone? Clear or not? 25 and 26, this is your homework.